Decap 26 are just Egyptian Pearson Hobbies, and we are taking the supports off. They're down in the pail there. And so far, this is how far we got. I'll show you what it looks like when it gets done. Tools we use: a torch for getting the hair off, a spoon to smooth, a chisel, a screwdriver, snipper, and pliers. I'll show you the creature. There he is. I'll turn him around here. Coming out of the lagoon. And I'll be painting that next. And that's a 3D print off of CG Trader, I believe. So, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And bye for now.